Opo kayo. Ayun, may sweldo na. Abot na to. Oh, to, dyan pa. Tama ba? Yan, pinili. Nagdasal naman na tayo kanina eh.
Opo.
Nakakain na ba kayo lahat? Ha? Okay. So, anyway, good morning. Good morning. Welcome to our regular department head meeting. I would like to put it on record. Some of you, mga hinahapo ko pa sa nakaraan, baka nagkaroon kayo ng habit na once a month lang ang directional meeting. In my case, it's gonna be a regular Monday directional meeting. All members, hindi compartmentalized. I don't want to confuse particular sets of department because they don't know where's the direction of the city for that week, and yung nagaganap, nagaganap at magaganap. So make sure, please do, I hope I'm not asking too much, that make yourself available immediately after the flag ceremony to be here for our directional meeting. Sometimes you'll be the topic of the meeting, sometimes you're not. But at least you know already the direction of the policy and programs that we're doing. So thank you very much sa inyo lahat. So far, at least I was right during the flag ceremony, assuring our employees na susweldo na sila. May makukuha sweldo. May cash na, Paul. Ito, literal to, hand to mouth. Ito yung what we call hand to mouth to eh. Pagka may chape, sweldo. Walang chape, yari. But may awan Diyos, I think the taxpayer is very optimistic with the current situation of the city. And huwag kayong magugulat, sa meeting natin, kasama natin yung ating Vice Mayor. Although yan naman ang ginagawa ko dati, kasi gusto ko malaman din niya so that they can help and synchronize their action with regard to legislative matters that we may be needing. So, nandito siya lagi unless hindi siya available. But regularly kasama natin siya. And all the resources that we can extend to her, please do so. Huwag naman kayong mangimik. Halal din ang bayan niya. So, ganun din yung mga kasamahan natin na konsiya. Okay? So first things first, meron tayong sweldo. Okay. Makakatulog na ako ng ilang araw. At least yung mga empleyado natin. Okay. Dahil bago tayo yung iba rito, alright class, please state your name. Ang tawag doon yung sa attendance. Magpakilala na kayo, no? So magsisimula tayo siguro from kanan. O ito na, dito na sa Vice Mayor. O pag ganun, okay. Vice Mayor. May baterya na ba? Check naman muna. May baterya na ba?
Diyan, ito ngayon lang.
Yun iba. Hindi. Naririnig ko naman kayo. Basta tahimik lang kayo. Naririnig ko naman kayo. At maririnig naman kayo. Ang importante, makilala. Ako, kilala ko naman kayo. Kaya ako nga kayo na-point. Pero parang makilala kayo ng kapwa ninyo manggagawa ng gobyerno. So I'll start with the Vice Mayor. our beautiful, able, magaling. Wala nang galing nito nung session nila. I'll tell you later. But for the meantime, ito ang ating mga labas.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Chia Pienza, ang inyong Vice Mayor. Nevertheless, I also would like to use this opportunity kasi ever since I got into office, hindi pa kami bukas, pero ang daming mga humingi na recommendation letters. In case lang, magsulat yung opisina ko. If it's not possible, you don't have to take them in. But just tell them off right away para hindi sila naghintay. Kasi wala akong magawa but to write. Unless it's really vital or important, I will put a personal note. Nevertheless, if it's just a letter from my office, it's still your decision kasi hindi naman ako makikialam sa departments nyo. Yun lang. Thank you.
Good morning po, sila Tlacharco po. Yung friendly neighborhood.
Good morning po, si Joaquin Turio, CPO po.
Si Ernest will be my EA, Executive Assistant. Ernest Ramel. Ernest, kilala ko naman. Di ba kilala ko na, pero...
Morning po, Ernest Ramel po, Executive Assistant po.
He works for me for the meantime. He will help me move around things. So you might see him in your offices. Pakita ko nga, Ernest, baka di ka lang makita, bako ka naman. Bibigyan natin yan. Talino yan. Talino yan. Okay.
Larry Facundo, DOP po, your permission.
Magandang umaga po, Georgia. Tabi na po, City Market.
Attorney Chris Fernandez po, Department of Assessment.
Wait lang. Diyan, ano ka, di ba? Actuarial science ka. Oo. Ang ating budget officer is a certified actuarial science. Ano yan? Magaling sa mathematics. Magaling sa isda. Bihira. Hindi, gusto ko lang i-share kasi sa inyo na bihira yun. It's a career in the country and in the world, pero limited. Talagang ang hirap makamit yung ganong hirap na maipasabi. Gusto ko lang malaman ninyo na yung ating budget officer magaling sa numero. Sorry. Working on it. Yes, Attorney Chris. Yeah. Si, ano? Telma.
Attorney Chris Fernandez po, Department of Assessment.
Good morning po, Telma Perez, Officer Charge, CPSO.
Morning po, attorney po, Dino po, Assistant City Treasurer.
Good morning po sa lahat. Jonathan Agaloy po. Ito si Tiang po.
Boy pa.
Malaya na po.
Good morning po, Bart De Leon, City Planning ng OIC. Bago po.
Oh, Northridge. Kasama ko sa Northridge.
Magandang umaga, Dr. Janet Belmont Japan, Santana Hospital.
Magandang umaga po, Dr. Angel Eric Sison, Hospital ng Sampalo.
Good morning, Mayor. Good morning, Vice. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Dr. Grace Padilla po, OIC ng Manila Health/OIC.
Before you continue, yung si DILG natin. Sir, yung kami. Tabi na kayo dito ni Ramel. Yan ang ating representative sa DILG.
Morning po, Dr. Eddie Lopez po sa Hospital ng Tondo.
Morning po, Dr. Ted Martin po. Mayor, thank you po for the trust.
Sir, all the way lucky po. Ano gatan dress?
Mahina lang yung internet.
Good morning,
Assistant Forensic for Gambo.
Ako po si Lily Evangelista, Manila Sports Council. Ako po, Pio Morabe ng Public Relations Unit.
Lord Santos po, BID.
Sorry po.
Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Maylene Villanueva po from Manila City.
Good morning po. Dr. Yalisa Loreda, OIC Superintendent po, SDO Manila.
Nga pala, gusto ko lang tama na yung tama. Let's stop. Sabi nga, pag nag-umpisa ka ng tama, matatapos ka ng tama. You know, there is a new law, what you call the DepEd law, 2001, if I'm not mistaken. We will recognize such law. At the same time, we will take care of our people with DCS. Now, I just want you, each and every one of you, to recognize and yung ating DCS wording, it will now be SDO. Oh. Tama, no? School Division Office. Because that is what is written in the law. Gusto ko lang SDO na tayo. Siya, SDS. Superintendent of Division School. Okay? Gusto ko lang maliwanag sa atin. Kasi baka lang minsan ano pa natin, baka susulat tayo, namamali tayo. We just follow the national or the latter. And we will deal with contradicting provisions of our local and the national. Okay? But for the meantime, logic will dictate among right man. The national law will supersede an older law. Usually, the local law is superseded also by the national law. But if there are two contradicting acts, para lang sa kalaman niya, no? But if there are two contradicting acts, the latter law prevails. Kasi it amended indirect and direct. It expanded, or the word is modified, whatever written in the previous law. Para lang ano tayo, makapag-upisa tayo ng tama. Okay? Sige, please continue.
Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Dr. Telma Tia po, UDM President.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. JD Lapuente po, Manila Department of Social Welfare.
Yung PLM, we were informed. Wala tayong PLM president. Pero may mamaya. But tayo informed the president as part of the national. Hindi, kasama sila. Ganun. Di ba? Kasama sila. Basta tayo. Okay, sige, please continue.
Good morning, everyone. According to Dennis Jr., CJ Legal Office.
Si Jay, tapos sa si Jay. Tapos na, sir.
Luis Biay po, NTTV.
Good morning po, everyone. Mayor Global Park po, Manila Barangay.
Happy birthday! Kahit paano nakakanta. Bigyan mo nga ng tubig si Siyesa ka muna. Well, si Joel, gusto ko lang malaman ninyo na he used to be my chief of staff when I was a council member. So Joel, kung anong tagal ko sa gobyerno, siya na rin tagal ni Joel. In fact, mas matagal pa siya sa akin. Dahil naglikod pa siya sa isang konsehal before me. Kaya naubos na ang buhok niya. Oo, makapagod sa letlet. Gusto ko lang para magka-idea kayo who's Joel. We will be heading our and guiding our all 896 barangays in the city of Manila. O nga pala, well, congrats sa citywide cleanup. Sabi mo, every Saturday mo. Every Saturday. So, ganda ng interview mo. Tama yun. You communicate with them. Salamat tayo sa mga partner. Yes.
Engineer Randy Sana po, City and Business Office po.
Morning po sa lahat. Arnel Angeles po, Manila Director, Manila Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office.
And, Emmanuel Dawa.
Salamat po. Good morning po, Kenneth Amoral, Department of Public Services, okay na ng DPS.
Na pala, we collected 20 tons of garbage in PGH. We collected 22 tons in National Museum. So, we've been collecting garbages from also from condominiums, no? By 2 tons, by 3 tons. So, yung sabihin, sumunod na sa atin yung mga taong bayan na hindi nila inilalabas yung basura nila until magkaroon tayo ng elbow room. So, if, kaya ko ito pinuputol, ini-interject, kung may mga kakilala pa kayo na kapwa natin ahensya ng gobyerno sa nasyonal, you just inform Kenneth, pipick upin natin yung mga naimbak nilang basura. So, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo no, sa basura. Okay. Please, continue.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Angel Arman Andres po.
Of course, kilala niyo na si Chief of Staff. Chief of Staff natin.
Sir, good morning po, ma'am. Rolando Armenes po from the City Sheriff's Manila.
Yun. Yan. Sheriff. Katulong natin yan sa...
Manila sa Cemetery.
Pangalan mo, sir.
Nasa lapit na naman Joe Ethan po, Market Administration Office.
Morning po. Rafi Halianto po. Hawkers Department.
Mapagpalang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Sunday Nilay, Youth Development and Welfare Bureau or Manila Youth Bureau po.
Good morning po, Attorney Jaime Taylor III po, City Civil Registry Office po.
Good morning po sa lahat. Shay Mohammed, Office of Senior Citizen Affairs.
Good morning po, Hero Meda, Custom Manager.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Attorney Lolin Indaya, Local Board of Assessment Office po.